5 seconds. It is the wish and dream of every Indian that India runs a bullet train as early as possible. Madam Speaker, Indian Railways is on its way to fulfill that long cherished dream. We propose bullet trains by starting off with an already identified Mumbai Ahmedabad sector where a number of studies have been done. Madam Speaker, it was the vision of our great leader Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee that gave India the golden quadrilateral road network. Today, under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, we are embarked on an ambitious plan to have a diamond quadrilateral network of high speed rail connecting major metros and growth centers of the century. A provision of rupees 100 crore has been made in this budget for high speed project to RVNL HSRC high speed rail corridor for taking further steps. Madam Speaker, while budget bullet trains would require completely new infrastructure, high speed for existing trains will be achieved by upgrading the present network. Hence, an effort will be made to increase the speed of trains to 160 200 km per hour in select sectors so as to significantly reduce travel time between major cities. The identified sectors are Delhi Agra, Delhi Chandigarh, Delhi Kanpur, Nagpur Bilaspur, Mysore Bangalore Chennai, Mumbai Goa, Mumbai Ahmedabad, Chennai Hyderabad, and Nagarpur Sikandrabad. Madam Speaker, as you know, the IT revolution has permeated into all spheres of human life. It has not only made life comfortable but also made the service delivery efficient, and the onus now is on us to make governance transparent and accountable using IT solutions. Though Indian Railways has taken up computerization in a large way, all the efforts have not been incinerated. Hence, the desired results are not achieved. Need of the hour is to bring in a total change in the work culture of railways and delivery of railway services by going in for large scale integrated computerization of major functions of Indian Railways. Madam Speaker, Indian Railways is also going for a computer associated enterprise resource planning solution so that synergy is brought in. To begin with, following initiatives will be taken up. Moving towards paperless office in Indian Railway in 5 years. Next generation ticket reservation system, Wi-Fi services in all A1 and A category stations and in select trains, real-time tracking of trains and rolling stock, mobile-based wake-up call system for passengers, mobile-based destination arrival alert, station navigation information system, extension of dual display fare repeaters at all the ticket counters through PPP, digital reservation charts at stations Bangalore model, expansion of computerized parcel management system, extension of logistics support to various e-commerce companies by providing designated pickup centers at identified stations, providing education to children of railway staff at remote locations through RailTel OFC optical fiber cable network. Digitalization of GIS mapping of land assets of Indian Railways. Indian Railways hold vast lands assets which need to be digitalized and GIS mapped for betterment and usage. This would help railways in protecting the lands as well as leveraging it for raising resources. The resource mobilization using land assets will be explored through private participation in setting up railway related business in railway lands as well as for commercial development. Madam Speaker, in an effort to keep pace with developments of the modern world, railways have to adopt and reinvent itself constantly. Challenges of tomorrow cannot be met by the tools of yesterday. In this direction, I propose to set up an innovations incubation center. This center will harness the ideas generated from the staff of Indian Railways and convert them into practical solutions to increase efficiency of the system. Such innovations which result in cost saving as well as revenue generation will be suitably rewarded in the form of initiative. As part of this exercise, I also propose to set up summer internships for the undergraduates of engineering and management studies. Students can intern at any of the various units of railways, divisions, PSUs, and production units.